Barnett here, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive. Comes to you with some information about our full synthetic oil change and tire rotation. We recommend doing full synthetic oil change and tire rotation every 5,000 miles, or every 6 months, or you get down to 30% engine oil life. So whichever comes first. Now, we chose to do a full synthetic oil versus a conventional or even a semi-synthetic. It's the best oil that GM has out there. It's their Dexos brand, if you want to look it up. And so we want to do that every 6 months, 5,000 miles, or 30% engine oil life. And with that, of course, we're going to do your oil change, tire rotation, a new GM filter. But we'll also do a multi-point inspection. We go around, look at the vehicle, we check your lights and make sure your washer solvent is topped off. Make sure your air filter and cabin air filter are both clean. Vacuum the front floor of the vehicle, and we'll even run through our touchless car wash. Now, another benefit you'll get with this as well is that we use a video system when we're doing our multi-point that we will go around, and most of the cars we will go around and take videos and see actually what's going on with your vehicle underneath the hood, and it's right from the technicians. We like to share that with you. And we don't just share that when we find something wrong. We share it also when everything is great, just so you can see it and have peace of mind about your vehicle. Now, because we do all these extra steps, our oil changes do take a little longer at times. So we want to make sure we're not skipping anything or shortcutting anything. And so your typical oil change here, start to finish, may take just over an hour, 15 minutes or so. But that way we know we can get the job done correct. So hopefully, this is DeNooyer Chevrolet, why you want to come here and do an oil change, tire rotation, and get the vehicle serviced, because we know we're only going to see you, average person, probably about twice a year. And we want to make sure you have peace of mind about your vehicle. So come check us out. Bill Garnett, DeNooyer Chevrolet, 5800 Stadium Drive, Kalamazoo, Michigan.